Hello YouTube, my name is Anthony Allen. You're tuning to my YouTube channel, Anthony Allen Edits. Yes, I'm wearing an Atari hoodie, but anyway, just giving you a little bit of context of what my YouTube channel is about before we get into today's video. My YouTube channel is all about your video editing hints, tips and tricks and anything around video production, as well as things that I find online, for example, products and services, and find you a discount for. So when I review products or services or anything I find online, I also find you the best discount or the best prices for that product and service. And a lot of the time, some of the time, I'm even giving away freebies or have a competition running surrounding that product or service. So you can actually win things when you watch my YouTube channels here on my channel. Here in this video, I'm going to be talking about a site called Upwork, and the part of Upwork that I'm going to be focusing on is the Rising Talent Program. So let's give you a little bit of background history of my history with Upwork and recently finding my professional freelance video work on the site. You can actually find a podcast between me and another YouTuber who uses the site called It's Jack Cole. We had a podcast and we spoke about how to use Upwork, videography, video production, as well as other topics surrounding YouTube that you might find interesting, and you can find that video either in the link in the description. You can see a little presentation of that podcast on screen now, and not only that, you can also find some of those videos in my collabs and shoutouts playlist, which you can find on my channel. So scroll down on my channel, look through my collabs and playlist, my collabs and shoutouts playlist, and you will be able to see a lot of those videos in which I'm talking about Upwork with It's Jack Cole, who uses the site also. So without further ado, let's get into today's subject, which is the Rising Talents Program on Upwork. So very recently, when I mean very recently, I mean over the past weekend, the weekend just gone, I have been signed up to the Rising Talent Program on Upwork. So what is the Rising Talent Program? The Rising Talent Program is a program that Upwork invites you onto, basically signs you up to automatically once you've got to a certain level as a freelancer on the site. So my profession on Upwork is professional video editing for YouTube, businesses, podcasts, you name it. I am an all-rounder for video editing and video production. And it's been absolutely working for me. I have to admit, I have absolutely picked up tenfold the amount of work compared to what I was previously gaining beforehand. I have a lot more work coming to me now. I'm using Upwork. And the biggest difference that I saw was I was getting invitations for jobs rather than me having to send out proposals for jobs. Those invitations were coming to me via email, so it was a lot easier to wake up in the morning if somebody's looking for my type of work. Upwork recognises that I do that type of work to a high standard, and then I basically have the option to either accept the job or decline the job or just reply back to the job with, can you give me more information? Now don't get me wrong, once the invitation is sent to you, you still have to write a cover letter and go through the process of sending a proposal, but it's the fact that that client is already looking for you anyway, so you can kind of build off that. And if you have a video intro, you can just send your video intro and say, okay, you're looking to work with me, here's a little bit more information about my skills and so forth that you may not have seen on my Upwork profile. I think that's all we've got for now in terms of the Rising Talents Program. You know, there are different things that happen to your profile. You're recommended for jobs and you are sent invitations a lot more. You have your customized customer service. So that's my inside experience with the program so far. I'll probably be uploading more than one of these videos. You can always, there's a function on top of a YouTube channel now where you can actually search for a direct key term or a title of a video directly on a channel as well. So if you like this video and it's helped you, give me a thumbs up. I will make more videos like this. If you want to know how to get onto this program, I will leave a link in the description to a page that gives you more information. Just hit me up in the comment section or ask me a question and I will try to give you as much information as I can and be as helpful as I can, because that is what my YouTube channel is about. It's all about helping you guys. And remember that I have more uploads coming your way as well. So hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next time in the next video. And thank you for watching, guys. See you soon.